Hey, what's up folks? In this video we're CNC milling some keycaps. These DSA profile keycaps are fully symmetrical and feature a slightly concave top surface. In this video, I'll show you how to machine these keycaps in different types of wood. Once I had the process down, it was fairly easy to set up a new batch and mill some more. I'll have the design available to download and a learn guide with a full write-up of all the recipes. I learned a lot while making these keycaps, and I hope this inspires you to give it a go if you're into CNC milling.